Dear friends, good morning. This is Pradeep Kumar here. Almost the courses for the Moodle is ready and the students list also been populated. The first year is complete in all respects. They have the full courses. They have selected all the courses and for first year MS and first year BTech. And since we have opened add and drop till Wednesday, this Wednesday, that is 25th of this July, at the end of the 25th, we will be uploading the more data into Moodle for the seniors. But as of now, the correct number of registration for first year MS and first year BTech is completed, and the faculty can able to post their contents and then do the required things. Now in this Moodle, this is what the URL 172.16.1.41/VATCC. So when you are inside this campus from any computer, when you use this 172.16.1.41/VATCC, it will be working. But in internet, once you are away from the campus or once you are in your home or the hostel, the Walls BB connection internet, there this 172.16 will not work. So in that case, you have to use 115.248.183.42/VATCC. But please remember, if you use the same URL inside the campus, it may not work. So it may not work. So this is for the information to the faculty members. So from your home also you can able to access Moodle. Now here I have logged into the system. A password is username and password is given to the faculty as well as the students. For safety considerations, use the password with a number, with a digit, with uppercase and lowercase, a mixture of it. Although it is not mandatory, but we are advising you to use these things. And now the course categories. So these are the course categories. So we are categorizing all the courses based on this school name adopted at VAT. So School of Science, Social Sciences and Languages. So when you see these are the courses: effective English, English related to English and foreign languages, advanced sciences, mathematics, physics and chemistry. So these are advanced sciences. And School of Mechanical and Building Sciences, civil and mechanical related courses. School of Electrical Engineering, it's only electrical department courses. A course code comes with EEE. School of Electronics Engineering, the course code comes with ECE. School of IT and Engineering, core course comes with ITA, ITE or SWE. And School of Computing Science and Engineering, the course code comes with CSE. And VAT Business School. So even the management MGT 301 Ethics and Values, this will be coming under this business school. Miscellaneous, if we want any new set of courses, we can go for. And now this is what the list of courses. And now we have already populated the data as a raw data. So for each and every course, there is some list of faculty members and list of students. For example, if you see in my course, so the faculty members are advised not to go into it. Better if they know the source code, course code, they can able to search from here. So my course code is CSE 305. When I go here, automatically the course comes here and which category it belongs to. That also comes here in the right side. So now CSE 305 Embedded Systems. There are two teachers, myself and Professor Maheshwari. At the end we have 50136. There is a faculty code. But in our case, in my case, since I am an administrator, the faculty code is I didn't specify in faculty code. Anyway, I will do that. So each faculty will have their faculty code. So we are advising the faculty members not to delete this from their profile, so that in future if you want to trace a faculty member, for example, there are 3 Maheshwaris and 2 Vijayalakshmis and 2 Ramesh Kumar, like that. So we are categorizing the faculty based on this fact code. And now go inside this course, and this is the course front page. So whatever you want to do inside the course front page, you have to do turn editing on. You can see in the right side, you can see something like turn editing on. So we have embedded system syllabus here. I have given already the syllabus in the image format. So automatically the image will be opening like this. So till the previous version, the file will be downloaded separately. Outside this window. But now the file is just, you can able to save the file also somewhere here. So save the image, like that you can able to save the image. So that's how now it is been in this new software. And now if you want to know the participants, when you click this left hand side, participants, and here are the participants. Totally there are 105 participants. But we are separating into groups because we are as FFCS slots. We are two faculty members. For each faculty member, what is the slots and what is the name? That's what. Please understand this name and this slot. The name and the slot is only a textual information. It's not exactly. Or Maheshwari means the faculty may not be there inside this group. So now in this group, when you see Pradeep Kumar B1 plus TB1 slot, the total number of students listed is 38. Similarly, in this Mahar Maheshwari, the total number of students listed is 65. So these were the all participants list. These are the list of students. Now we may enable the grouping here. So grouping in the sense that how the grouping is enabled in the Moodle. So that we will see now. Now see the groups here. Now these are the groups. So and we have groupings here. Now for example, under Maheshwari R underscore B2 plus TB2, these are the group students. But please see that the students are there, but the teacher name is not there. So in the group, in a single group, there will be some less set of students as well as a teacher. So this is what a group means. Similarly, in this group, the students are there, the teacher name is not there. So what we can able to do is select this group, add remove users. Even the faculty members can do that, add remove users, and then search for the faculty. Now in my case, I am Pradeep Kumar. So I am selecting my faculty. So I am just adding to this group. Now select this and then click this button add. Now I can see that I am a teacher and there are 38 students. Now I can come to the back to the groups here. I can see in Pradeep Kumar I am a teacher and there are 38 students. So the total members are now 39 including myself. And similarly Professor R Maheshwari, add remove users, Maheshwari. So R Maheshwari add. Now the group is been added. Because what happens is since the faculty members are belonging to the course, but if they are not in the group, whatever content they post for the group may not be visible to them, but it will be visible to the students. So better you enroll yourself to the group. Now group is over, so we have found the grouping, but I want to give the content only to my set of students. For example, I have 38 students. I want to give the information only to my 38 students and not to the other batch where Professor Maheshwari is taking. So in that case, I need to create a grouping. So create grouping. So what I will do is I will just put TSP. So I have created the grouping name as TSP and save changes. So this TSP, whatever name you are giving for this grouping will not be visible to the students. So you can give whatever name you want. And see that activities are 0 and there are none of the group is attached to this grouping. So what I can do is there's an icon here, show groups in the grouping. So click this icon. We have already have two groups, Professor Maheshwari underscore B1 plus TB2 and Pradeep Kumar underscore B1 plus TB1. Since I am in my group, so what I am doing is I want to give the information to this group. So back to groupings. So now for this grouping TSP, these are the groups. And similarly for Professor Maheshwari, even the same faculty member can do. I can give something like this, MAHI Mahi, and then here there is no group. So what I can do is create grouping, and I will just add this group here. Now please understand, this is the name of the group which contains Professor Maheshwari along with 65 students. Now all the 66 are belonging to this Mahi group. So now our work is done. Now come to this course. Once you are come to this course, turn editing on. So once we make the editing on, so we can able to give the resource. Now for example, this is already resource I have given to my students, to all the students of this group. I click this, I am editing this now. Now see that show advanced. Yes, maybe I can add some other resource. Now what I will do is I will add another label. So I am just giving as welcome to embedded system. So welcome to embedded system. I am just giving a label. Check the settings. So in the settings, okay, separate groups. default grouping. So I am making the default grouping as, if you want to make TSP means only for TSP it will be given. Maybe the resource can be shared with everyone else, but the activities cannot be shared with everyone else. So what I will do, online test, upload a single file. I am creating an assignment here. So assignment number 1, submit a test as submit a test assignment, and here the date available from due date I have given, and then separate groups. Let's say give separate groups. What is the grouping? So I want to give TSP, meaning that only to my group students it will be graded. Now we can see this content comes assign 1 inside bracket TSP. So this TSP whatever inside bracket will not be shown to the students when they see the students view. So it will not shown to the students. So better what we can do is we can create a grouping. So if you don't create any groups in this in your course, and if a faculty gives information, it will be shared with all the groups inside this course. So if a faculty feel that okay, I want to share every information to every student, then you can do that. But if you want to conduct something to only to your students, you can use this grouping facility. The grouping facility can be done by the course faculty members within their group. So you just try for your own courses, because totally last time I have personally created all the groupings for all the courses, but this time the number of courses is crossing 160. So as an individual I cannot able to handle this. So I am advising the faculty members to create their own groupings in Moodle. Thank you.